there, Team V. We just finished our lesson on golf, and now we are going to teach you something called Frisbee Golf. It's the same general idea, but instead of using golf skills, you're going to learn Frisbee skills. So the way you're going to play Frisbee Golf is you're going to set up some cones. Those are going to represent the holes. We've set up 3 cones for this game. You're going to try to get the Frisbee to hit the cone in 3 throws or less. Let's try. All right, Team B, this is a disc. It's also called a Frisbee. Usually people call it Frisbee even though its actual name is a disc. So I'm going to show you how to hold it so you can throw it. So what you're going to do is to throw it so that the back of your hand is pointing to your target. You are going to have your thumb on top and you are going to have your fingers on the bottom. And some people put their pointer finger along the edge and some people hold it this way. I like to hold it like this. And then you let go, and when you let go, you want it to be level with the ground. So you don't want to let go like this or like this. Just straight ahead. That's a backhand throw. So Team V, the forehand throw is also known as the flick. For this one, you think thumbs up and peace sign. You put the thumbs up on top, the peace sign on the bottom, and the other 2 fingers are against your hand. For this one, the front of your hand is going to point to the direction you are throwing. And this one, you have it beside your body with your elbow tucked in and you throw it. So Team V, now Leo is going to try to throw the disc to the cones and try to get there in the lowest amount of throws possible. Let's go. Yay! All right, Team V, it's my turn to try to get the disc to the cone in less than 3 shots. Let's see. So Team V, I got that one in 3 shots as well. Let's see Leo try the next one. Three! Remember to review how to throw the disc, backhand and forehand. You can try to practice that a few times before you actually start the game. So let's review the backhand throw. For the backhand throw, the back of your hand is pointing at your target. Here I have my thumb on top, thumbs up on top. And I have my pointer finger out along the ridge. My other fingers are underneath. Some people don't like to have their pointer finger on the ridge, and that's okay. You can put that finger underneath. I'm going to turn my body to the side, and I am going to throw, and at the end, when I let go of this, it is flat as it leaves my hand, and my finger will be pointing directly at my target. Let me review the forehand throw. This is also known as flick. For this one, you have your thumbs up and your peace sign. Your thumb is going on the top, just like your backhand. But this time, the peace sign, or the 2 fingers, go underneath, and the other 2 fingers are crunched up in your hand. For this one, you're going to have the palm of your hand facing your target. You're going to keep your elbow close to your body. Again, you have to let it go flat from your hand here. That was our quick lesson on Frisbee Golf. So the same idea as golf, you want the lowest score possible. Try to set up 3 things around your yard. We use cones, you can use toy cars or leaves or rocks, and try to throw your disc or your Frisbee to it in 3 shots or less. And whoever has the least amount of points is the winner. Have fun!